Alright, so let's make the sign up page. So I'm just going to create in this product folder signup.php. I'm going to write everything internally, and once we are done with the PHP code, I'm going to take it, put it in an include or a partial PHP for this signup.php page, just as we've done in the rest of the pages. Alright, and let's just call this h1 sign up, or let's just say, yeah, sign up, like so, right? And this should have the navigation bar styles. So from assets, it should have the styles nav, and it should have the styles for the sign up page as well. So we are going to create it just right now. .css. Now the styles of the sign up are the same as add. So remember, in the add page we have input fields and form styling and the submit button styling. This is the same styles that we just need for the sign up page. Alright, I think we did something wrong. The navigation bar, actually we needed to comment out the profile and logout. So I'm just going to go there and comment out the profile and logout for now, and this makes more sense. So we need the styles from the add pizza styles from there. So this is the styles of add page. So I'm just going to take it and put it in my sign up styles, and I'm going to link it like that. And let's just make a form. I'm not interested in the class so far, so I'm just going to leave it as is, right? And the action is going to be signup.php, the same page that we are at, right? This is going to be changed in the future, and whenever we finish this portion and convert it into another include file, but just bear with it as it is. I'm just going to make this capital letter because I like it that way. Now let's make an input field, right? And I'm going, for starters, make this to be text, and I need him to register. If we take a look at the structure of my accounts table, I've made a very simple table that has ID, username, email, and password, right? So if you look at the structure, the ID has the primary key, the username is a varchar, right? It's a unique key, it has an index of unique, right? This email has an index of unique as well, it's a varchar, and the password is a varchar as well. Okay, so I will do the same stuff. So I'm just going to say that this name is going to be username, right? So we have username, email, and password, and I'm going to add a placeholder of enter your username. Now going to do the same thing here, and I'm going to use, since the validation I'm going to use is JavaScript, I might want to use the HTML validation for the email alongside with it. So I'm just going to make the type here email. The name is going to be email, and enter your email. Maybe I should make this capital. And finally enter your password. Alright, and this is going to be password. Alright, so just copy this. I'm going to have this as password 1, or just BUD. Let's make it password 1. Alright, and the type is going to be password, and this is going to be like some kind of validation here to make sure that he entered the correct password. So this is also password type, but the name is password 2, and the placeholder is going to be retype your password. You can make any kind of validation for the length of characters, for if it does it include, does it include character, does it include alphabets, does it include alphanumeric, does it include special characters or symbols. It's totally up to you, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to make sure that these are both are matching. That's it. And finally, I'm going to have an input of type submit. I'm going to call this register, or just sign up like that, right? And the value is going to be what is going to be represented to us whenever we open the form. So go to the sign up, and here it goes. All right, but there's something weird. We didn't include the navigation bar, didn't we? So let me just include the nav here. So include from templates like that, include the nav.php, refresh, and we are good to go.